Okay, so here you can see the simulation is running. So it's a real time simulation. So this is the voltage value, this is the current value, and this is the temperature of the solar panel. Okay, and these all are the light intensity value in lumens and the other things. Yeah, so this is again the humidity, because the solar panel also get impacted by the humidity. So this is additional factor what we are not considering in the project. Lumens and the humidity factor we are not considering. So you can see the same value is coming out of the code exactly, and this is what the channel on which all these things are being sent. Okay, so these are the value 2.95 and all these values. Yeah, so this is a real time simulation, you can see. So if you gonna change the voltage, then it will reflect over there. Yeah, so definitely in the next raster you will be seeing the, so you can see 3.20 was the value. I just clear the screen. So this is a real time simulation. Now to send data on the IoT, so we don't have a physical connection because everything is simulating. So we are not doing anything wrong. So you just need to copy whatsoever my code, my Arduino Uno is generating. I am just copying it over here and pasting it to one test text file which is inside the Python script folder. Yeah, so you just need to paste it over there and just do the save, Control S. So you saved it, and then just you need to run the Python script. So here I am running the Python script for the program. Okay, 1 second. So here you can see this is the Python code. So the file is IoT data 01, and we have one text file, the text file where we are copying the information. So that is test.txt file. Yeah, and I have given the path where I have saved the Python code. So that is IoT data 0.py, and the to run the script you have to type this command, give the path python space IoT data 01.py, and once you hit enter, then you'll see the data will be there on the internet. Now be aware of that there is additional this text file. So the path where you are saving this IoT data file, at the same path you have to paste this text file which you need to save it. Once after copying the data you need to save it, and then you can run the Python script. So once I am running the Python script, you can see a pop-up window is going to open, and that sends the data. So you can see these values 3.46, 0.15 and 33. This is voltage, this is current, this is temperature. They all are there on ThinkSpeaks. So you can see, if you refresh the page, so you can see the last saved value is 33. So this is how the complete code will run. So you can run the script, you can take the latest data and transmit it to the ThinkSpeak.